If you're looking for chic, versatile bags that don't break your bank, this is the video for you. Especially because Verano Hill, the brand we are reviewing today, is having a buy one, get one free special. Verano Hill is known for affordable luxury handbags, and I haven't seen these bags yet, but the last three I reviewed were all made so well. Some of the bags have genuine leather, but some of them are also mixed with canva or polyester. And that is, of course, to keep the product more affordable. All the styles and the actual structure of the bags are done very well. As you can see, all their bags come with a dust cover. Verano Hill was kind enough to send me 3 bags to review, and I'm gonna show you each one, their features and how I would style them. Thank you, Verano Hill, for sponsoring this video. I have done a video for them in the past. You can view it here. I myself am already quite a fan, but as always, my opinions are my own. But let's cut the chit chat and let's get into these bags. So let's take a look at this first bag, because this one my eye just caught on to because it's just my style. I took this out of the duffel, and as you can see, they do protect the inside and the hardware, but let's get that off real quick. It doesn't look very cute. So inside we had 2 straps. There's the shorter strap for the shoulders and then a longer strap if you want to do like a crossbody moment. I'm gonna pop on the shoulder one because that's just typically what I go for. Voila! The Estelle shoulder bag retails for $165. I got her in a color caramel because I just love caramel colored bags, but she also comes in white, and I'm kind of tempted to get that one too. This for me is like the perfect square shaped bag. We have gold hardware. Of course, we got the Verano Hill logo, and then the back of the bag is pretty standard. I love this cute little crevice in the center. Structure wise, I'm really not seeing any issues with the seams. I don't love how small the bottom of the bag is, just because I like to be able to like sit my bags on a table, and I don't think I will be able to do that with this one, but that's just me being fussy. It's not like the depth of the bag was the secret on their website. And this bag is made of genuine leather and canvas. Let's look inside her. Cute little way to open the bag. This is what the inside looks like. Very, very standard. Again, just a good everyday bag for your wallet, essentials. Inside, there is one little separate pocket, pretty standard. This bag, in my opinion, would be perfect for everyday errands. If you're going shopping or a casual day date, I think this would be a good accessory. I love me a fun shoulder bag, and the fact this is square is just like perfect because I don't have a square shaped handbag. She's a moment for sure. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this one in 2026. Next handbag, let's unwrap her. Whoa, this bag is huge. Okay, this is the Marseille handbag. Truthfully, when I made my selections, I opted for the blue one, but they sent me the black one instead. Okay, my fiance came home and he informed me that this is actually navy blue and not black. I might be slightly colorblind, I'm not sure. Now this bag is made of genuine leather and polyester. She does come with a strap here, but I'm not gonna put her on because I usually just carry these kind of bags with just my hand, but just know that does come with, and I will have no issues sitting this one on a table, so I love that. This fabric is much more structured than the first bag I showed you. This bag is interesting in its design. I like that the front has these gold hooks here that this strap actually goes into, and here you can see the hardware. It is looped in. Turn it and you can pop it out like this. I'm not too sure what the purpose of that is because it doesn't really like open the bag or change it. The opening's obviously up here, and you can't tighten it to make the bag smaller or more compact. Rather than functionality, this seems like it's more for design. The logo for this bag is actually different, its own little hardware. The handle part feels super sturdy. And now going into the inside of the bag, there is a lot of room for storage in here. There's like a lot of different folds of compartments. So when you open it here, you have a compartment. This would be great for a Kindle. And then the next flap, you have another compartment. This is like the biggest part for your essentials. And there is a separate little pocket in there. In the center right here, you can see a zipper. So you do have yet another pocket for the center. On the other side of that, you have the other main compartment, and there is yet again another smaller pocket inside there. And then after that is another little side pocket. Everything is pretty bendy, pretty flexible. So if you're a person that holds a lot more in your purse, I would definitely recommend this one over the last one because there just seems to be like twice the amount of space. And this one heavily smells of leather. I didn't even notice the smell in the last bag, but this one, like, this smells like leather, like straight up. And this is how I would style this bag. Again, I just think it looks so sophisticated, so it demands an outfit that is either very corporate girly vibes or a night out. I definitely would not wear this for like a casual day because it's just not my personal vibe, but I definitely think this would be perfect for a fun business dinner, meeting, lunch, what have you. Pretty stoked for this one. Next up, we have the Aurora shoulder bag. It's a similar vibe to the first one, but it's a bit bigger. I really wanted a leather brown bag that would fit books and a laptop to use on my solo coffee dates. So truly, this was just a practical pick for me. Let's get her open. They're wrapping, it's thorough, you know, but it's a job getting it off. We need scissors, what can I say? Would have made my life a lot easier. Work smarter, not harder. Man. Oh, it's a lot of stuffing. So here she is, the Aurora shoulder bag. She retails also for $165, and this is the color brown. She also comes in caramel and black, but you know, I already got a caramel bag. So this shoulder bag is made of genuine leather. Smells like that as well. I just need to get a candle with this type of scent. The shape of this bag kind of gives it like a more contemporary vibe, which I love. And of course, she's a tote bag, so she's gonna be super functional. Very good if you're needing something for school, travel, or work. I love this shape because it just kind of goes with the nook of your arm. At the bottom, you can see it will definitely be able to stand on a table. I didn't see this one, hold on. We do have their gold print, which is usual in most of their bags. As you can see, there's like a lot of stitching all over the bag, and there are no issues with the stitching. And a weird small touch, but I love that these straps, at least right now, since they're new, are like meshing together. Now let's take a look at inside the handbag. Pulling the straps apart, you can see there is like a little magnetic clasp that keeps it closed. Looking inside, so there's actually a separate compartment right here that fits inside the bag. This is kind of cute for traveling, to be honest. And inside this little compartment, obviously this zips up on its own, but there are two pockets in here. And honestly, a decent amount of room. This would be a very good makeup bag. Without this compartment inside, this is what the bag looks like. Very standard, really nothing fancy in here. As you can see, there's plenty of room for a lot of items. Definitely keep in mind the dimensions of this bag. It's not the biggest tote bag in the world, so make sure if you're buying this for your laptop that your dimensions work with this. And what's cute is with this little compartment inside the tote bag, there is actually buttons that snap on right here. Snap it, do that on both sides, and it keeps it secure. To style this bag, honestly, it's super versatile. Like, I'm gonna be using this for work, but I could also use this for any fun coffee dates where I want to take my laptop into a coffee shop, or even like a small sketchbook and some art supplies. I definitely wanted a more casual and practical bag for my everyday use, so this was a really good find. That is gonna be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, Verano Hill is running a buy one, get one free special right now, which is honestly a good time to try their bags. You could even split the order with a friend, buy one for you, get one for them, or you could even get an everyday bag for yourself and then like a cute night out option. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the quality of these bags in terms of like affordable handbags. These are definitely up there. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really helps out this channel. It's the best free way to support this channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do that and click the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let me know in the comments which bag is your favorite. YouTube seems to think you would enjoy watching this video. So if you'd like, click on that and I'll see you over there. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.